Hello investors, welcome to Chart Shastra, where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 84 of our 100-day price action challenge, and looks like everything is green in again today. Yesterday it was all red and today it was all green. I really don't understand what is happening in the market. It is very choppy lately, but look at, since today is expiry day on the Nifty, I thought there would be very much volatility. In fact, it was to some extent, especially when it comes to microcap, it was down at some point of time. Now it has ended at 1% up. The same thing happened on the Nifty Junior. In fact, there was a very big spike happened in the last half an hour. I guess something related with the expiry is going on. So let's not get into intraday trends or intraday spikes happening on the chart. For us, the main closing is the important right now. As you know that Nifty is trying to form an inverse head and shoulder here. You can see here, this is the left shoulder, you can see, and this was the head, and now it is trying to form the right hand shoulder. If it breaks above this level, we are good to go on the index. That would be very fantastic to watch. Almost the same thing, you can plot some kind of shoulder here, some kind of head here. Again, the same pattern would be repeating across all Nifty large cap names, because Nifty 50 is something the underlying biggest underlying. Coming to the micro cap index, it has taken support here. That's a good thing. Yesterday we were a little bit worried about that, if it what happens if it would have breached this support zone. That's a good sign. Today it has taken a support. In fact, small cap has also done the same thing. You can see here, right? It did not even reach the support. The buying came in. The same thing repeated in the micro cap, but you can see here it has went below this level yesterday itself. Now it has closed almost at this support zone. So I think a little bit more time is needed for the market to digest. I think I'm guessing that again it is completely a guesswork. It could work, it could not work. Always take your positions based on the price, not on your intuition or your gut feeling. Maybe I'm thinking market needs some kind of time correction, because we have seen a very good price correction almost from the top levels. We have seen correction of 30%. Now probably Nifty needs some time to absorb all this supply and all this shock. Nifty 500, which is broader market index, doing recently same thing as the Nifty 100 as of now. Gold again trying to move. You can see here, right? It has broken out of its consolidation. It is trying to make a big move again. Let's wait and see, because it ultimately depends on the US gold hour. So, which again, let's wait for the night. Probably tomorrow we would get a decent clarity on the gold. Even silver is again trying to slowly inch up. Looks like the pullback is getting over. So gold is one of the very strongest stocks, or sorry, strongest charts out there. Coming to sectoral charts, Bank Nifty, you can see again there is a huge volume here. Probably was it due to expiry? I'm not sure. But there is a huge volume here. Even that is a good. That's a good thing happening on private bank too. Look at PSU Bank; it's up 2.5%. See, I'm really confused here. What's happening on the PSU Bank? I thought these were very weak charts, and in fact, last 2 days price action also kind of signaled me that there is a weakness in them. But today's look at a 2.5% move. That's a really strong move on an index. Let's see the individual charts and how they are acting. IT index almost flat today. Auto is down 1%. Probably is there some kind of sales data? Okay, there is some kind of. Please let me know. I'm a little bit surprised. This is off the charts, or is it just pure price action? It is down 1%. Auto. Realty stocks consolidating over there. Pharma is also down to probably lot of buying happened on the PSU banking space and selling on the other side. Infra is recently holding up very well. I like how infra chart is forming on here. FMCG going sideways, and telecom, nothing much happened today. Healthcare too has taken support at this 50-day moving average. Yeah. Media going sideways, utilities are moving up. So now let's get into daily charts. It would be very interesting, because few sectors have made really good move today. Starting with the Reliance, nothing major happened on the Reliance. Same thing with the TCS. But look at HDFC Bank. It has moved up all the way here. There is clearly there is a strength. Even the volumes were also, average volumes were around 11 million. Today it was 20.8 million. Very good volumes. Probably the expiry day effect. I don't know whether there is expiry on Bank Nifty or not. But again, very good chart today. Airtel is consolidating. I like how this chart I have put. You can see here, right? I have put an alert on the Airtel somewhere around here. I need little more consolidation here and a good market condition. That's where we could have taken a very good entry. ICICI Bank, very nice pullback as of now. Probably, I think I'm assuming that it will consolidate a little bit here and it should ideally break out. If that happens, I'm thinking to take a position here because of very, very, very strong move from the ICICI we have seen here. See, Infosys going sideways, nothing major happening. It needs to close above the 1640 level. SBI Bank, see, this is the major line. This 786, I think we can draw a line here multiple times. One, two, three, and four times it got rejected here. So let's wait for this level on the SBM. Unilever, again, huge volumes. Nothing major happened here. Bajaj Finance quickly recovered. See, yesterday it was down 2%, and I was feeling that this is a strong stock. Ideally, this should move up, right? And today it has moved up with good volumes. And yesterday, look at the difference here. Yesterday, when it was down 2%, low volumes, when it was up to 1.55%, it has very strong volumes. That's how you need to study in between the lines with the volume and the relation with the price. ITC going sideways. LIC, look, it's trying to form a bottom here. That's a good sign, LIC. HCL Tech, nothing major important happening now. L&T, not that great chart, a very volatile chart. Let's wait for a few more sessions here. Maruti, not looking good. Kotak Mahindra, again, the pullback is still continuing. Let's hope that it forms a consolidation here because the private banks rallied a lot in the last few sessions. Sun Pharma, trying to take a support here. Let's wait and see. Mahindra not looking good. Ultratech Cement is not even stopping. It is slowly moving up, trying to reach this level. That's a very strong strength it is showing right now. But again, no entry as of now here on the chart. Axis Bank consolidating here. Probably it might take some more time. NTPC again up 1.7%. Good strong volumes. Looks like this is promising. I like how the charts are behaving now. Yesterday that was a much needed pullback. Even I was too little bit scared, but today's price action is giving me some kind of relief. Cool. Tomorrow is Friday, I guess. So yes, tomorrow is Friday. So probably the week is about to end. It's good to see. It's good to see how the week would end out. Wipro is getting tighter and tighter. Gear up for some big move on the Wipro here. It should ideally break out or it should ideally go down. So please be closely watching it. Look at Finzo. That's a very strong move up 3.2%. See, massive move. It is slowly falling up, not as fast as the Bajaj Finance, but it is again slowly falling up. That's a very strong move, even the closing at 2000. That's a really good chart and a good move. ONGC, not that great, still needs to close above this line. Titan, very weak. Adani Enterprises, not that great. Tata Motors down 5.6%. Now I have understood why the entire auto sector is down 1%. This is one of the heavyweights. You can see some Tata Motors sell US announced a 25% tariff on imported cars, impacting its luxury brand. Yes, now I get that. Oh, that's a real bad thing for Tata Motors. See, chart was giving, but again, this is completely unexpected. You never know how it happens. It was a very positive news. It would have broken out of this range, but better luck next time for Tata Motors investors. Power Grid, real good chart happening here. Very strong volumes. Bajaj Auto, not that great. JSW still doing very decently as of now, holding up its move from this point onwards. Adani Ports, not there yet. There is one Adani stock I'm going to show you with is kind of trying for a reversal. Let's see that chart. DMart finally closed above this line. That's a real good thing happening on the DMart, probably. But please be careful for this level and for this level because the same thing happened around here. The same thing happened around here. But looks like today it's a promising close. So let's wait for a few more sessions. Volume is also decent volume. That's a good sign from DMart. Coal India not doing so well. HAL is taking some time here, much needed time because it was up almost 38% in the last few sessions. Zomato consolidating, it might take. I clearly remember that after this breakdown here, I told you that it will take a very long time for Zomato to come back to its previous glory because that's what happened. The entire structure got distorted. I think there was huge volumes today. Something was happening. Some kind of rebalancing is also there, I guess. That's why huge volumes. NSE going sideways. Asian Paints trying for a reversal here. Let's see. Last time it tried but got rejected. Let's see. Adani Power not there yet. Not there yet. Let's be very patient with Adani stocks. Bharat Electronics very good chart, acting very well. See, nice consolidation. Trent is also trying for a reversal. Good attempt. Good attempt. It needs to close above these some more level. Simons after yesterday's again it came back to its opening, yesterday's opening. Let's wait for a few months time. Tata still, I think if you have this was the change of structure happened on the Tata. Still, I don't like how it is behaving. It is slowly moving down. Let's wait and see. Let's wait for the pullback. Indigo, wow, another. We have been seeing this. I have put this for if it was giving another enter. Very strong chart, very strong chart. Indigo, one of the strongest names in the Nifty 100. IOC not doing that great. DLF still consolidating. Grasim also slowly moving up. Looks like the report on that cement is working really well. Look at the volumes. The volumes are also massively moving up. Varun Beverages consolidating. IRFC down. Not at all good. Not at all good. Vedanta tightly consolidating at this 475 level. Interesting to watch. Tech Mahindra not doing that great as of now. Divis Laboratories sideways. SBI Life taken support here. Needs some more time, I guess. Let it take. LTM not good. Geo Finance again. I think some kind of rebalancing. Yes, it was definitely rebalance. Probably these stocks are getting out of Nifty or some other new names are coming, I guess. These volumes with no movement is clear rebalance. Let's just ignore this volume. Hindalco sideways, Pidilite going sideways again. Eicher Motors not doing that great today. HDFC Life trying to move up again. I like how persistent. Look at how persistent it is. It is trying to move up. That's what we need in a character. That's what we need in it. Adani Green not yet. Bajaj Holding trying to move up here. Still need some more time. PFC also needs to close above this 430. Loda trying its best, but again I don't trust realty stocks. Ipla taken support here. Very choppy name. Avoid this. Ambuja Cement is also slowing up. So finally, cement stocks are in favor. Even Britannia, I think this is also getting. I think huge rebalancing happened today. That's why some kind of big movement happened on the last. So now I'm actually kind of in a doubt whether this move is sustainable. So let's wait for tomorrow's close. That would be very interesting to watch. Cholamandalam, very slow mover, but perfect mover. See, I like the way I like having such stocks in my portfolio. But again, due to market conditions, I'm unable to take positions. ABB trying to form a bottom here. Tata Power, very good move here. Good action. TVS Motor consolidating sideways. Godrej, this also similarly looks like DMart, right? Trying to fill this gap, trying to reach this. Let's wait and see. Shriram Finance, I like how tight it is becoming. Look at this. Look at this. Very good chart. Very good chart. I like it. My another NBFCs are doing fantastically well. BPCL not good, but again huge volumes rebalancing, I guess. PNB good. Oh, I think is this also some part of rebalancing? That's why are we seeing volumes here? Because there are a lot of shorts initiated, and this was short covering happened today on the PSU Banks. But let's just give the benefit of the doubt that it is in a strong trend. Let's wait for a few more sessions for the confirmation. Bank of Baroda, the same thing happened, but was it rebalancing or was it pure supply? Let's see, pure demand. Let's see, as of now, very good. Gale also doing very good. All the Nifty next 50 stocks have seen a huge buying in the last few minutes. In the last half an hour itself. Torrent Pharma, nothing interesting. Three Cement is not even stopping. Yeah, I'm missing this stock. I want this to come back and pull back so that I can take an entry. But cool. It's finally coming out of this zone. It will always give you another continuation buy. So I like how Three Cement is doing right now. REC trying to recover but not there yet. Tata Consumer very boring stock. United Spirit very boring stock. Havells very boring stock. Naukari also very boring. Doctor it is very choppy name. Dabur not worth. Even Apollo Hospitals not at all worth it. See, all these names are not really good. Zydus Life probably heading for a new low, not doing good. It clearly got rejected here on such a good day. Also, it is down 2%, so very weak. Union Bank again, very large volume. So please let me know. Put it in the comment section. Some support benchmarks. Okay, PSU Bank rise to support a day after. Some key will, okay, something is happening. Let me just see that. Or if you know, please put it in the comment section. That would help our viewers. Motherson Summit down 2% with large volumes, not looking good. Although it has recovered from the lows, but that was a huge gap down. It was down almost 7% in the morning. Jindal still, I like how this is forming. It would be very, very good to watch it break out. See, that's how we are seeing on each day, each day. ICICI Lombard going sideways. Cypru not doing that great as of now. JSW Energy got rejected. Indusint not that good. Yes, this was the Adani stock I was talking about. Look at this. We were waiting very, very, very clearly, right? Look at the volumes too. I like the volumes. Probably for someone to just for the purpose, if you would have taken entry, this would be the stop loss 5.53%. This would be now trying to form a reversal here. This is not my ideal setup. I wait for the continuation buy and I take the entry at that continuation buy. We will see if that comes. I would definitely intimate on that day on the chart. Bosch going sideways trying to form bottom here. Canara Bank did not participate much here, unlike Union or Bank of Baroda. See, some kind of difference here. Hero Motocop to again up 3.5%, very strong move. Some kind of rebalancing, I guess. That's a good move anyway. NHPC not that great. BHL also huge volumes, but not doing that great. Adani Total Gas again huge volumes. That price did not appreciate. So let's wait. IRCTC again huge volume. So some kind of rebalancing, I guess. That's obviously now so many charts having such volumes. As of now, that's how the market. So now after watching the 100 chart, see just by seeing the index, you can see that okay, the market has ended positively. But now going through the individual stocks, you got an idea that okay, was this move sustainable? Is it just because of some kind of rebalancing happening on the chart? So please let's wait for tomorrow. That will be very interesting to watch. And also try to please fill the description. I have attached a comment form. I have also pinned it in the comment section. It would help me. What would be the next series we can do in this channel? Please let me help you and let's grow together. Thanks a lot for watching. See you tomorrow.